Hello everyone, in this video we're going to learn how to solve the geometry Olympiad problem. Alright, so given the picture, we need to calculate the radius of the circle in terms of A and B. Alright, so the first step you need to do is to identify the center of the circle. So in order to identify the center of the circle, we need to construct two perpendicular bisector of AF and AB. Alright, so two perpendicular bisector intersect at a point right here, and this is the center of the circle. Now we observe that FA plus AB equals BC plus CD equals DE plus EF, and they are equals A plus B. Alright, so this guy right here, they all are cos. So because the sum of the cos are congruent, their odds must be congruent. Alright, so we have the odd FA plus AB congruent to BC plus CD congruent to DE plus EF. Alright, so they all equals 1/3 of 360 degrees. It could be 120 degrees. Alright, so let's take a look at the angle EOC right here. Alright, so we just prove that this guy's equals 120. Alright, so it tells us that angle, the measure of angle EOC equals 120 degrees, because this is the central angle subtended by the odd EC right here. Right, so they have the same measure. Now this guy equals 120. So this guy right here must be equals 240. Now so we look at the angle EDC, this guy right here. So angle, the measure of angle EDC equals 1/2 the measure of the odd EAC, and equals 1/2 times 240, and it's gonna be 120 degrees. Alright, so we just proved that this guy equals 120 and this guy equals 120. Now look at the triangle EOC. Alright, so inside the triangle EOC, by the cosine law, we have EC squared equals R squared plus R squared, which is OE squared plus OC squared, minus 2 R squared, which means 2 times OE times OC, times cosine of angle EOC, which means cosine 120 degrees. Alright, so we just simplify this guy. Cosine 120 degrees, which is negative cosine of 60 degrees. But cosine of 60 degrees is going to be 1/2. So it's going to be negative 1/2. Substitute over here. So it's going to be r squared plus r squared minus 2r squared times negative 1/2. Alright, so it's going to be equal to 3r squared. Alright. Now, in the triangle EDC, by the cosine law, alright, we have the same thing. EC squared equals ED, which is A squared, plus CD, which is B squared, minus 2 times A times B cosine of angle EDC, which is 120 degrees. Alright, now we're going to simplify. It's going to be A squared minus plus B squared minus 2AB times negative 1/2. So it's going to be A squared plus B squared plus A times B. Alright, now we just substitute. EC squared equals 3r squared right here. Alright, so we have 3r squared equals A squared plus B squared plus A times B. Alright, so R equals A squared plus B squared plus A times B divided by 3 and take square root of this guy. And this is the final answer. Alright, and note that we have many different ways to solve these problems. So if you have another ways, please leave a comment, and it's good time to stop. Thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video. Remember that if you failing to prepare, you're preparing to fail.
We rise like tall buildings as the chemicals they take us higher. The night's young and it's just begun as she puts her hand in mine.